What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanishia, and I am back with another video. Hey, girl. Hey. I am back with another goodie, and this one is for my girlies who don't like to do much at all. This right here is a Luvme Hair's Natural Look Yaki Texture Layered Bangs Bob Wig. This wig is glueless. This wig is a minimalistic wig. And this wig is pre-cut. Everything is basically done for you, so you don't have to do anything but put her on. When we talk about minimalistic work, every time you hear me say minimalist, make sure you look for this parting right here. This is all the lace that you get inside of this wig. This wig is also 14 inches, and I will reiterate that later in the video. But as far as the construction of this wig, it's a basic construction with kind of like a T-part. They don't like to say T-part, so they say minimalistic, so we don't have to do a lot of work. This wig is already pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-everything. So all we have to do is take her out of the box, give her a little TLC, and be cute. So with that being said, this video is not going to be long at all. We are going to get straight into it. Wig cap is on, so we are going to go ahead and flip her inside out, just like this. Use your adjustable band as your guide. Make sure you are putting that band comfortably behind your head, just like this. Adjust it just a little razzle dazzle. Make sure it's to the tightness that is comfortable for you. We're going to go ahead and flip that up and then pull this down so that we can see what we have going on up here. Make sure your lace is not folded or anything. Make sure you have no humps, no lumps, no bumps in the front of your hairline. Pull all that hair that may have gotten folded up under there out, just like this. If you have a comb, you can comb that out of your face, but get into that lace. This lace has not been tinted. It has not been tempered with makeup, any of that, and the lace is gone. What you see right here is hair up under there. But as far as everything else, this lace is definitely a plus. Now, one thing that I can say about this wig right now is I like the little flip out method that it has going on straight out of the box. Again, this wig is a 14-inch wig. It is not too long, but it is not too short at the same time. So it does give your wig that cute flip out method. Again, the lace is pre-plucked and pre-cut so that you don't have to do any extra work. The wig is soft. For it to be a Yaki texture, see if you can get into it a little bit here. You see how it has the little crinkle looking things going on? That is what a Yaki texture looks like. It looks like we just went and got us a quick blowout real fast, and just they took the rollers out, and this is how we're gonna go. This is what it looks like. This is really cute. I like it. I'm digging this one. I'm feeling this a little bit. Something else that I love is that they did go ahead and part it for me. So if you are somebody who cannot part, this is what your parting will look like. It's real nice, real clean, real crispy. And the knots are really small, so it makes it look ultra realistic. That is definitely a plus with this wig as well. As far as the back part goes, this is how long it is. It's right at the top of our back. It's not long at all. Not long, just a comfortable length to get the job done. So this is a wig with ear tabs. Your ear tabs should be sitting comfortably around your ears, not on your ear, not behind your ear. This part should be sitting right in front of your ear, so that way it is comfortable around and it gives that kind of C shape to where your wig goes behind your ear, but nothing should be rubbing around there. If you feel as though your wig is kind of rubbing, you might need to adjust your band a little bit more or twist your wig to where it is comfortable around your ears, so that way you can have comfort while you wear it. That is one of the things that I did notice about this wig while I was putting it on. I do like that, but we are going to get into if this wig can take a little bit of heat. Because although this is cute, straight out of the box, this ain't me. I'm not gonna walk outside like this. I like to put a little razzle dazzle. That goes in with my TLC. So with my TLC for my wig, which is my Tender Loving Care, I'm gonna do a little curl test just to show you guys if it can curl or not, if the curls will hold or not. I won't be able to give you like a full day of if the curls will hold or not, because this is the initial review of this wig straight out of the box. I probably won't wear this all day because I got a lot of work to do. So that's just full honesty, transparency for me in these videos. But I will be telling you if this wig can curl if you like it. Now, outside of the heat portion of this wig, you can, if you don't want to put heat on it, you can get some flexi rods and a little bit of mousse and put it on here, or wrap foam or whatever you want to use, and put it on here and get a little bit of a curl that way. If you want to use a sock, a rolled up sock, if you don't have flexi rods, or you want to use tissue paper. Either way it go, you can put that in to try to get a curl out of it, but today we are going to use heat. So my curling irons are warm. We are going to go ahead. I got it at the top heat because, again, I messed mine up so y'all don't have to see what is the highest temperature of heat a wig can take. I like to do this to save you guys a coin, because a lot of people promote wigs and sell wigs and they don't really get into the heat specifications of the wigs, and then you buy it and the wig burns. So with that, Luvme hair is letting me just turn up the heat for you guys, just to show you that their wigs are high quality. And you see that with me doing my high heat, I'll put it in there twice. No sizzling, no burning, no any of that, which is great for the girlies who want to add a little bit of a curl in there. And this Yaki wig is curling pretty good. I am using a larger size barrel so I can get more of that loose curl, because I don't want a tight curl. I just want something to give it a little bit of a bump and a little bit more volume on this side. So that is why I have this big barrel. I don't know what size it is specifically, but it is not a 1 inch. It's probably a little bit larger than the 1 inch barrel. And this curling iron is a T3 curling iron, just for the girlies who are wondering what type of curling iron I use. So get into how the curls are bouncing after we have done that. And I didn't leave it on there too long. I did just enough heat so that it gets a curl, and then I let it free. Same thing with my bang, just enough heat to get a curl on the highest temperature, and then I'm gonna let her free. Now, if you want, and you want a little bit more hold in your curl, get you some clips or some pins and roll it up. You can just take your curl, roll it in your curl like this, and then take a pin and pin it and leave it for a couple of minutes, maybe an hour if you have the time, and then let it down and see how it does. The curls tend to hold a lot longer when you do it that way with any wig, whether it's a Yaki, a Brazilian, a kinky straight, either one of those. When you pin your curls up after the heat, they tend to last a little bit longer. I really like the layers that they put into this wig, because the layers help give it a little bit more volume as well when you get ready to curl and comb out. So I'm a layer girl. On top of a curly girl, I love layers. A good layered wig is always all right in my book. So layers add character to your wig, adds volume, adds a little bit of a bounce. Layers are a plus, especially for short hair. Layers are a plus for me when it comes to, I'll say medium, because this isn't really short, but it's not long either, so we'll say medium. Layers are good in a medium length wig so that you get that ultimate volume. Even if you pull it out of the box and it doesn't seem as voluminous as you like, when you get ready to add a few of those volume curls, the layers just put a little bit more of a oomph in that. So win all the way around. But this wig is curling fine. This wig is curling fine. It is definitely taking the heat. It is not getting crunchy. This wig is still soft and manageable and flowy, bouncy. So I think I have just enough volume curls in here to go ahead and comb this back. I always comb my curls away from my face and pull them back forward, just like this, to get this look right here. Especially with the layers, I love when it looks a little feathered. So that's what I do. No, I haven't cut anything. I haven't done anything special outside of actually curling it. And this is what we are getting with this hair. Even if you just wanted to finger comb it through, this is a great everyday wig. If you didn't feel like putting on makeup on, but you want to just throw your wig on and go and still have a cute like hairstyle, this is definitely the wig to go with. Bouncy, pretty. I like this Yaki texture. It gives, I got a perm or I got a blowout, and my hair is phenomenal. So if you are looking for something that is simple, quick, easy, great for everyday use, this is definitely the wig to go. 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend this wig here. Very, very pretty, very, very soft, very, very natural. And that is the key to this whole entire wig. Natural Yaki look. And it didn't take long. We at the end of the video. Just that quick. We're at the end. So again, I'm gonna repeat. This is Luvme Hair's natural look Yaki texture layered bob wig. This wig is glueless. It is a minimalistic wig. Pre-cut lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. And she is 14 inches. Do I recommend this wig? Yes. I recommend you go get it now. The link will be in my description box as well as my comment section. And do not forget to use that coupon code Tanishia to save you a coin on this wig here. Because again, if you saw me in public, you wouldn't have been able to tell me this ain't mine. At all. Get into it. You wouldn't have been able to tell me this ain't my hair. I would have been walking around like the girlies when they used to go to the beauty salon and get that good fresh perm in high school and come back to school and be stunting on us with their little silk wraps and everything after that. This is exactly what this is giving. So make sure y'all go check this wig out, get this wig, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.